$90 million Boeing BBJ Max cabin tour. Welcome to our channel, the Enchanted Luxury Studio, where we talk about wealth and luxury. Unquestionably, the world of private jets is full of aircraft capable of traveling great distances in absolute comfort. But it is undeniable that the majority of these jets aren't quite up to par with the Boeing BBJ Max 7's cleaner engines and fuel-saving winglets. The excellent business jet is built to provide travelers with high-end luxury and relaxation. Looking for more information on the BBJ Max 7? Take a look inside the $90 million Boeing BBJ Max 7 cabin by watching until the very end. The newest BBJ Max 7 cost $90 million, and this latest luxurious cabin was unveiled by Boeing at the 2018 National Business Aviation Association Conference. According to the company, nature serves as inspiration for the design. The only colors used are gray, blue, and white, which are typical colors for people who are busy. Private aircraft from Boeing fall under the category of Boeing business jets, or BBJs for short. They are similar to airplanes in the private jet realm. The BBJ Max 7 was launched in October 2016 and is based on the Boeing 737-700 series. It has a 7,000 nautical mile range, and the cabin of this aircraft can be configured in a variety of ways to accommodate anywhere from 8 and 50 passengers. Typically, it includes a living area, a meeting space, a bedroom, a bathroom with a shower, and a dining area. This aircraft has an outstanding cruising speed and flight range. Its highly roomy and adaptable interior makes it one of the most often rented private aircraft for VIP group travel. Modern aircraft like the MAX models from Boeing feature digital cockpits and are very efficient power engines. The BBJ Max 7 provides the brand new Genesis cabin design and an interior aesthetic that wouldn't appear out of place in an art gallery, along with its siblings, the Max 8 and Max 9. Even the typical millennial probably wouldn't be able to own one with a market value of $90 million. Tony Robbins, who just acquired a BBJ 737 as his new private aircraft, and President Donald Trump, who formerly flew in a Boeing 757 with gold plating, are notable owners of the aircraft. When extremely wealthy people purchase a large aircraft like a Boeing, they often want to customize the interior, which is more like decorating a residence. The jet's owners frequently employ design companies to create the elaborate interiors of their second houses. While there are many extravagant concepts, one company collaborated with Boeing to create a new, futuristic designs for its 737 MAX aircraft, one of the most expensive private aviation alternatives. This aircraft resembles a science fiction spaceship rather than a private jet. A stand-up shower in the bathroom, an open meeting place for working, and a long surface lounge are all possible layouts for the BBJ Max 7. A bedroom, a crew space, a kitchen, and a rest area are also included. ALBERTO Pinto Interior Design created a prior interior layout for the BBJ Max, using traditional wood and leather furniture. The BBJ Max has an enormous amount more interior room, which is extremely appealing from the perspective of an aircraft designer. The co-founder SkyStyle, Max Pardo, stated in a press statement that the owners are seeking a comfortable lounge, multi-purpose conference area, and a sizable master suite because the Max travels ultra-long distances. Go ahead and get your favorite beverage and popcorn, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. The white, gray, and blue color scheme of SkyStyle's Genesis idea, which depicts clouds drifting above white sand beaches, is inspired by nature. The cabin has long, curving lines that resemble rolling hills, and the roof is illuminated with LEDs to mimic a starry sky. The main cabin has LED lighting throughout, and the entire design can be altered to fit personal preferences. The open style of the BBJ MAX 7 was developed by Boeing for convenience and relaxation, so expect stand-up showers and expensive couches. The jet has a dining area, kitchen, and bedroom, making it completely furnished for parties. The aircraft also has enough area for a sizable bedroom with a king-size bed and a closet on the other wall. While flying straight beneath the stars in the upper altitude, the star-shaped LED lights in the roof provide the impression that you are dozing off. A full shower can be added to further transform it into a home-like setting, like most typical private jets. This specific interior is meant to resemble a scene of a tropical beach. However, the color scheme can be changed, just like other aspects of the aircraft. Additionally, onboard technology can be set to Arabic or any other preferred language by the user. Even though the style isn't the most opulent, it provides a cutting-edge alternative to conventional arrangements that are now uncommon on most airplanes. The cabin, which is larger than that of typical business aircraft and measures 26.11 by 3.66 by 2.13 meters, can house a master bedroom, living room, office, eating area, and even a bathroom. The aircraft has 7.8 cubic meter cargo area below the deck, which allows for a greater place for luggage. The design is anything but conventional. DB lines are incorporated into the layout, departing from customary design. A compartment with a kitchenette, dining area, sitting area, office, and bedroom is still possible. The advantages that Boeing Jet enjoys over its rivals, Gulfstream, Bombardier, Dassault, and other aircraft manufacturers are fully exploited in the Sky Styles concept. Even the smallest Boeings have narrow bodies and more capacity than most people know what to do with, giving its owners countless options. After all, the aircraft were built to accommodate as many passengers as possible for airline clients. The 8,000-mile range of the MAX 7 models, which were the first on the market, is made possible via a flexible fuel supply system. Many variations occur at slightly lower altitudes, although they are still exceeding 7,000 miles. The ultimate blank slate is yours to finish as you like. Despite the design's emphasis on the open idea, strategically positioned pillars with foldable barriers provide on-demand privacy when required, whether for a business conference or simply to be away from other travelers. To convey food easily between the two areas, the partition separating the kitchen and dining room can even be lifted. The countertop can then be relocated between the galley island and the dining room table. The BBJ MAX 7 has capabilities and characteristics that make it possible to handle challenging, long-haul international flights with the greatest traveler comfort in its class. Has wings with a dihedral sweep of 35.9 meters and split-tip winglets for reducing drag through laminar airflow. For convenient boarding and disembarking of all passengers, it includes automatically deployable air stairs. Modern handrails and these steps fold into the compartment on their own. The BBJ has 7 additional features underneath its main cabin, including updated flight decks, a fly-by-wire spoiler, improved aerodynamics, and a lower noise profile. It is powered by two 28,000-pound CFM LEAP-1B engines that are fuel efficient and LEAP-1B engines that have reduced noise profiles. The plane has a price tag of $90 million, a 7,000 nautical mile range, and a 527 meters per hour top speed. Unsurprisingly, Boeing has some of the top private aircraft available. The 737 aircraft are the most popularly purchased aircraft in aviation history as of 2019, which according to the firm has been purchased more than 10,000 units. Of those sales, 260 were made by the private jet variant of this aircraft, while the BBJ MAX 7 has amassed up to 20 orders. Thank you for spending some time with us today. We hope that this video helps you succeed on your path to a life of luxury. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching!